Wasn't that a spectacular performance, dear parents? Having the characters of the world of animation coming to life on the stages of scholars, bringing a pride of joy, happiness and fun for all of us present here.
A child's imagination knows no limits. It's a world where unicorns fly, robots talk, and dreams come to life. And children know that imagination is the soul of getting the characters of their virtual world to life through animation, bringing a universe filled with endless creativity, vibrant stories, and colorful adventures.
We believe we have transported you to a world where reality, blended with fantasy, made you relive your childhood of fantasy. Thank you, dear parents, for being such a wonderful audience tonight.
Parents, all those who are coming near or in front of the camera, may I request you to please be seated because we are live. It's a live streaming that is going on. The link will be shared with you. May I please request you to please not block the way so you can have uninterrupted live screening. May I request you all to please be seated and enjoy yourselves.
We're diving into the incredible culture and pride of Hyderabad, where history, heritage, and innovation come together in one amazing city.
That's right. Hyderabad is like a time capsule, blending the majestic past with the vibrant present. Think Charminar, Chowmahalla Palace, and those colorful, lively markets. There's no place like it.
And let's not forget the real star of Hyderabad, the food. The Hyderabadi biryani is world famous, and once you try it, you're hooked.
Absolutely. But Hyderabad is also a city of the future, now a global IT hub that continues to grow and innovate while staying true to its rich culture.
So join us as we celebrate the heartbeat of Hyderabad, where the old and new come together in the most exciting way possible.
चल चल रे चल मेरे साथी हम बन गए हैदराबादी तना बॉडीलो चोटिते ही हैदराबाद के साथ इनके भी everybody's what they wanna be प्यार से जीतेंगे हम सभी प्रतिनित्यम मदिलो निंचे नीति नाती मन सिंसिरी
డీజే డీజే ఎందుకు ఆపారు భయ్యా పెట్టండి డీజే
ఆగండి మీరు చేసింది హైదరాబాదే కాదు హైదరాబాద్ అంటే ఇది కాదు హైదరాబాద్కి ఎంతో చరిత్ర ఉంది దాని చరిత్ర ఏదో మేము చూపిస్తాం
అవునా సరే చూపించండి చూద్దాం
The city of Sarachan, the pride of Deccan, the city of Sarachan. No place on earth can equal you. Magical spirit we feel in you. No place on earth can equal you. You are my home and heaven too. Salam Hyderabad, we love you. Hyderabad, we are proud of you. Salam Hyderabad, we love you. Adab Hyderabad, we are proud of you. Majestic Charminar, mysterious Golconda. Majestic Charminar, mysterious Golconda. Standing apart with royalty, you are the blessing of Almighty. Standing apart with royalty, you are the blessing of Almighty. Salam Hyderabad, we love you. Adab Hyderabad, we are proud of you. Salam Hyderabad, we love you. Adab Hyderabad, we are proud Carrying the glory of Nizam dynasty into the global world of cyber city. Organic system from Hussein Sagar, Insha'Allah, shower us with power. Burning us beyond the boundaries of religion, legend of harmony, gift us with Apnapan.
No place on earth can equal you. Magical spirit we feel in you. No place on earth can equal you. You are my home and heaven too. Salam Hyderabad, we love you. Allah Hyderabad, we are proud of you. Salam Hyderabad, we love you. Allah Hyderabad, we are proud of you.
जी जान से हम भी आपके तो हैं, जी जान से हम भी आपके तो हैं. अपनी सिटी का सुरूर, glittering like the Kohinoor, the land of pearls and Tamriani, walls balancing rocks and shining.
No place on earth can equal you. Magical spirit we feel in you. No place on earth can equal you. You are my home and heaven too. Salam Hyderabad, we love you. Adab Hyderabad, we are proud of you. Salam Hyderabad, we love you. Adab Hyderabad, we are proud of you. We love you. We are proud of you.
భాగ్యనగరమా సకల కళల సమ్మిళితమా, వివిధ సంస్కృతుల విలసితమా,
నీకు వందనం.
నీకు వందనం,
నీకు వందనం.
నీకు వందనం.
You really captured the essence of Hyderabad, blending its rich history with the modern day vibrancy so seamlessly.
The way you brought the iconic landmarks, the mouth-watering food, and the city's growth into the conversation was fantastic. It truly felt like a celebration of both the past and future of this amazing city. Great energy, passion, and connection. Well done.
Macbeth, a timeless tale of ambition and fate. Today, we invite you to step into the world of one of Shakespeare's greatest masterpieces. That's right, get ready for Macbeth, a timeless tale of ambition and fate.
This story has captivated audience for centuries with its gripping drama and profound lessons.
Macbeth takes us on a journey through ambition, power, and the consequences of unchecked desire. It's a tale that delves deep into human nature and the struggles of the soul.
With its intense emotions, unforgettable characters, and powerful themes, Macbeth remains as relevant today as it was when Shakespeare first wrote it.
So let's immerse ourselves in this timeless tragedy and experience the enduring power of Shakespeare's storytelling.
Let's not keep you waiting. We present to you Macbeth, a timeless tale of ambition and fate.
Welcome to the tale of Macbeth, a timeless tragedy of ambition, power, and the human soul. Set in the shadowy halls of Scotland's castles, this is the story of a brave warrior whose hunger for the crown leads him down a path of betrayal, bloodshed, and madness. Guided by the prophecy and driven by greed, Macbeth and his wife make choices that defy fate itself, only to be undone by their own guilt. Join us now as we unravel this dark journey into the depths of ambition and the ultimate price of power. Now, I would like to introduce the cast of the Macbeth skit. Macbeth, played by Indranil. Lady Macbeth, played by Zahara. Banco, played by Abhitesh. King Duncan, played by Tanmay. Three witches, played by Madhumita, Tanvir, and Hanya. Ross, played by Avinash. Attendant, played by Keshav. Soldiers, played by Hasid, Medansh, and Waris. Wounded surgeon, played by Yagya. And Macduff, played by Chaitanya.
Scene 1, the prophecy. Enter the three witches on a stormy heath.
He 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 he. He 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 he. He 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 he.
When shall we three meet again? In thunder, lightning, or in rain?
When the battle is lost and won.
Before the setting sun,
There we'll meet Macbeth.
fair is foul and foul is fair. Hover through the fog and filthy air. He 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 he.
Macbeth and Banquo enter.
You did it, Banco. You did it this time. I have never seen a day so foul and fair.
He 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 he. He 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 he.
All hail Macbeth. Hail to you, Thane of Glamis.
All hail Macbeth. Hail to you, Thane of Quarter.
All hail Macbeth, future king, who shall be the king hereafter.
Greet my noble partner with great honors. But what about me?
Lesser than Macbeth, but greater.
Not as happy as Macbeth, yet much happier.
Your descendants will be kings, though you shall be none.
Wait, don't go. How can I be the Thane of God? Thane of God is alive.
Fair is foul and foul is fair. Hover through the fog and filthy air.
Lord Ross, enter.
Speak.
Macbeth, the king has made you the Thane of Cawdor. The traitor is dead.
Your children shall be kings, but he shall be king.
Scene 2. The aftermath of the battle. Enter Duncan, Malcolm, and the attendants. A wounded sergeant is brought in.
Check. Who is this bloody man? From his appearance, he can tell the latest news from the rebellion.
My lord, this is the sergeant who defended me valiantly from being captured.
Oh, brave cousin, worthy gentleman, tell me the latest news from the rebellion.
My lord, at first the battle was uncertain. Fortune seemed to favor the ruthless MacDonald, but it was not enough.
My lord, brave Macbeth, true to his name, defied fate and killed him.
My lord, MacDonald didn't even have time to shake his hand before Macbeth sliced him open from his belly to his jaw.
Oh, brave cousin, worthy gentleman.
Lord Ross, enter.
Who comes here?
The noble Thane of Ross.
God save the king.
What's matter, Lord of Ross?
My lord, as the Thane of Cawdor has betrayed us in the favor of the King of Norway, under your command we have executed him.
The Thane of Cawdor will betray us no more. Go, give this title to Macbeth. What the traitor has lost, noble Macbeth has won.
Duncan turns to Malcolm.
Truly, Macbeth's loyalty to be honored.
Scene ends. Scene 3. The murderous plan. Enter Lady Macbeth reading Macbeth's letter.
He 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 he.
All hail Macbeth, hail to you, Thane of Glamis.
All hail Macbeth, hail to you, Thane of Cawdor.
All hail Macbeth, future king, who shall be the king hereafter.
The witches met me in the day of my success. I have known that they have greater knowledge than human beings. They know even the future. They disappeared at the end when I wanted to ask them questions. What happened then is that the messenger of the king came to me and told me that I am the Thane of Cawdor. I was astonished. He greets me the same way the witches greeted me. They also greeted me as the King of Scotland. I wrote this letter to inform you what had happened. Keep it as a secret. Farewell. The witches hailed you as king? This is our chance. Come, spirits, come here and fill me with cruelty.
Enter Macbeth.
What news do you bring?
My love, King Duncan comes tonight.
And leaves tomorrow?
Yes.
He will never see tomorrow. While he sleeps, we'll drug his guards and frame them for the murder.
We will proceed no further in this business. The king has honored me with all his wealth.
Were you drunk when you told me about your desire to become king? And now you're withdrawing? Don't you have the courage to achieve what you truly desire? Are you a coward?
A coward am I not, pretty face.
Then you have to prove the contrary and plan for this murder. If you are a man, as you said.
But if he would fail?
Fail? We will never fail. Gather your courage and do it.
My resolve is firm. False face must hide what false heart doth know.
Under the night, the castle sleeps, unaware of the treachery brewing within its walls. Macbeth, haunted by ambition and spurred by his wife's unyielding determination, prepares to commit a deed that will forever stain his soul. As the moments tick by, the weight of destiny looms large, and the fateful hour approaches. Here, in this silent night, the fall of a noble king begins, and the rise of a tyrant is forged in blood.
Is this a dagger I see before me? I go, and it lays me to Duncan's room.
I've done it, but I could not say amen.
Do not think of it much. Go wash your hands. Act innocent.
The next morning, Duncan's murder is discovered.
Volunteers.
Sir.
Hello. Murder! Murder!
Horror! Horror! Treason!
Alas, King Duncan.
Who is so ambitious? The king is no more.
The king's coronation.
All hail Macbeth, the King of Scotland. All hail Macbeth, the King of Scotland.
Scene 4, the downfall. Lady Macbeth is haunted by guilt. A few weeks later, Macbeth and Lady Macbeth dive into hallucination.
Something terrible shall happen today.
Today is the day they shall pay.
Another life shall be lost today. He 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 he.
Na 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 na. Ah. Off, James, Paul, off! Who knew this old man had so much blood in him? Knocking! I hear knocking! I hear knocking! Make it stop! Make it stop! Make it stop!
Enter Macbeth.
What? What have I done? I have taken the lives of so many innocents, including my right-hand man, Banco. What shall I do now? Shall I take the lives of Duncan's sons now? There's no place for me on earth nor in heaven. It has changed me, turned me into something I'm not, someone I'm not. Can I ever be forgiven? Our deeds are four chains that no mortal hands can break. What is ambition when it leads to ruin? What is power when it destroys soul? Oh, cursed fate, burn this crown as my symbol of falling.
Macbeth heads to battle and is slain by Malcolm. Malcolm takes the throne.
All hail King Malcolm! All hail King Malcolm!
Enter three witches.
He 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 he. He 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 he.
Ambition consumes.
Power corrupts and guilt destroys.
No crown outshines guilt's shadow. No throne survives a ruined soul. He 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 he.
Ambition unchecked becomes a flame that consumes all in its path, turning love to ashes, honor to dust, and souls to shadows. The Macbeth sought power, yet only found torment. Let their tale be a reminder. The price of ambition steeped in blood is forever burdened by its weight. And so the story ends, not in triumph, but in tragedy. For no crown can outshine the darkness of guilt, and no throne can endure when built on the ruins of conscience. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Should I take?
That was an incredible performance of Macbeth. The intensity, the emotion, and the gripping portrayal of ambition, fate, and guilt truly brought the classic Shakespearean tragedy to life.
From Macbeth's descent into madness to Lady Macbeth's haunting influence, each movement was a powerful reminder of how unchecked ambition can destroy even the strongest.
Congratulations to the entire cast and crew for their outstanding work in bringing this timeless tale to the stage.
Let's give them a big round of applause for their hard work and dedication.
Dear parents, we celebrate Indian female icons of resilience, honoring women whose courage and strength inspires us every day.
We begin with Rani Lakshmi Bai, the brave queen of Jhansi.
Next, Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India.
We also honor Indira Gandhi, India's first female Prime Minister.
Let's recognize Kiran Bedi, India's first female IPS officer.
And Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams, who broke barriers in space, proving no dream is too far.
We celebrate sports icons like Saina Nehwal and Sania Mirza, who shattered records and stereotypes in badminton and tennis.
Let us also honor Gunjan Saxena, India's first female combat pilot, and Sudha Murthy, whose social work and literature inspired millions.
And of course, most importantly, Draupadi Murmu, India's first female tribal president, whose journey proves that no dream is too big.
Today, we celebrate these incredible women whose resilience continues to shape our world.
Let the celebrations begin.
तिनका था हमने सवारा अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजयी भव विजयी भव गगन कहे विजयी भव है रात की सुरंग भटकी है रोशनी है छटपटा रही रोशनी गगन गए विजय भवन
दो मुर्गी तेरी दो मुर्गी मेरी चार तेरे मामे की सात सुर में जो तीन ताल मिले धुन बने गाने की दुनिया है सारी नंबरों से बनी बक्से से बाहर निहार हम नजर अभी कीड़े किताबी टेंशन मत ले आ बोलो बेटा 1 2 3 4 पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं तो डरना क्या मेरे यार बोलो बेटा पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं ये क्लास है कोई जेल नहीं तू पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं तू टेंशन मत ले यार तो डरना क्या मेरे यार बोलो बेटा तो डरना क्या मेरे यार हाँ इतनी तो कोई मुश्किल भी नहीं जितने हुए हो परेशान शटर गिरा के बंद कर डालो डर की जो खोली दुकान सर पे उठाया क्यों वेट किताबों का रख दो ना नीचे के भार इतनी तो हल्की है बॉडी तुम्हारी हो जाओ उड़ के फरार बोलो बेटा 1 2 3 4 पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं तो डरना क्यों मेरे यार बोलो बेटा पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं ये क्लास है कोई जेल नहीं तू पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं तू टेंशन मत ले ना जमाने के बाबालों से ना जवाबों से ना सवालों से के टुकड़े करने वालों से अब मैं खुद से लड़ गई हूँ अब मैं हद से बढ़ गई हूँ जो चाहे कर ले जमाना अब मैं जिद पे अड़ गई हूँ अब मैं खुद से लड़ गई हूँ अब मैं हद से बढ़ गई हूँ जो चाहे कर ले जमाना अब मैं जिद पे अड़ गई हूँ रोड़े डाले रास्ता ठोकर दे के भागे रास्ता भाग के जाएगा तू कहाँ पे अब मैं पीछे पड़ गई हूँ रग रग में दौड़े है जुनू बस तुमसे से मिलके हुस तू बस लाख बिछा दो पद में काटे अब मैं जड़ से खड़ गई हूँ अब मैं तह तक गड़ गई हूँ अब मैं सर पे चढ़ गई हूँ जो चाहे कर ले जमाना अब मैं जिद पे अड़ गई हूँ अब मैं खुद से लड़ गई हूँ अब मैं हद से बढ़ गई हूँ जो चाहे कर ले जमाना अब मैं जिद पे अड़ गई हूँ आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी कदम मिला के देखो तो मैं साथ में तेरे चल दूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी।
Squad, alert.
Go!
बातें पुरानी के कैसे किसी ने कब था क्या था, लिख दे नई कहानी अब तू तेरी जुबानी, भूल के बातें पुरानी के कैसे किसी ने कब था क्या कहा। रोके गांव जवारी पर तेरी जिद करारी, टूटी चार दीवारी तो चल पड़ी है कि नहीं। हवा सदा बहार है, तू सबसे चमकदार है, तेरी रोशनी में लग रहा है अब जवा जवा जहां। मन ज्ञान गुण सागर, जग पिसती हूँ लोग उजागर। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जग पिसती हूँ लोग उजागर। देखेगी ये दुनिया ये वो मनिया। वो शक्ति है, 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 वो शक्ति है। कभी कभी वो शक्ति है, कभी कभी वो भक्ति है, ना झुकती है ना रुकती है, ना थमती है ना थकती है, ना झुकती है ना रुकती है, ना थमती है ना थकती है। वो शक्ति है, 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 वो शक्ति है। वो शक्ति है कि जिसको अपनी शक्तियों का ज्ञान है, जिसके हाथ में कमान लक्ष्य पर ही ध्यान है, जो चक्रवात की लहर के सर पे चढ़ के झूम ले, कि प्रश्न चिन्ह तोड़ कर जो उत्तरों को झूम ले। वो शक्ति है, 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 वो शक्ति है। जो आग और बर्फ दोनों साथ लेके चलती है, जो तीर में बदलती है, जो ढाल में भी ढलती है, जो एक पल में अग्नि है, जो एक पल में नीर है, जो पत्थरों की स्याही से खींची हुई लकीर है। वो आ गई जो जिद पे तो नदी का रुख भी मोड़ेगी, जो ले लिया है एक बार प्रण वो करके छोड़ेगी, लाख उसके।
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके दिखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ, शाबाशियाँ, शाबाशियाँ।
They break barriers, face impossible odds, and still rise. Their strength is incredible. They show that their worth isn't defined by obstacles, but by the determination to push through them no matter what.
It's like resilience isn't just a trait for them, it's how they live. They carry the weight of the world on their shoulders, expectations, sacrifices, and their own dreams on hold. But they still stand tall. Even when no one is watching, they keep fighting for what they believe in.
And for every woman who has silently carried burdens, who has sacrificed her own dreams for others, who has loved endlessly without asking for anything in return, your strength is beyond measure. You're the threads that hold the society together, the quiet architects of a better world.
The world is better because of you. We see you, we honor you, and we are so, so grateful.
In today's world, addiction has taken place through many forms, each one of them subtly controlling our lives even without us noticing them. Whether it's work obsession, substance abuse, mobile addiction, or social media, these invisible chains bind us tightly.
That's right. Substance abuse is one of the most destructive addictions. It doesn't just harm the body, it shatters families, dreams, lives, and futures. People often turn to drugs or alcohol for relief, but in the process, they lose what truly matters: health, relationships, and their sense of self.
And mobile addiction is another growing issue among the youth. We're constantly checking our phones, scrolling through social media, and seeking validation. It keeps us distracted, stealing our attention from what's real and meaningful.
Social media addiction, in particular, is taking a toll on the younger generation. The constant need for likes, comments, and comparing ourselves to others online creates a false sense of connection, leading to feelings of isolation and insecurity.
Addiction isn't just a personal struggle, it's a societal issue that affects families and communities. But the road to recovery is possible, and it all starts with awareness and the courage to face the truth.
We must ask ourselves, what are we feeding our minds, bodies, and souls? Are we trapped in temporary distractions, or are we focused on lasting fulfillment?
It's time to break free from these chains, regain control over our lives, and live with a purpose.
Now, let's invite our talented performers of grades 9 and 10 to the stage, who will bring these powerful messages to life through their mime and Nukkat performances.
నిలబడి సావాసం మూగబోయింది ప్రతి ఆవాసం మరి పిల్లలు ఆయనే మొబైల్ तो क्या करें हम
పుస్తకాలతో కొత్త మలుపు తెరవాలి గెలుపు తలుపు
ఓటని పక్కన పెట్టేద్దాం మైదానంలో ఆటలన్నీ ఆడేద్దాం सबके बीच मिलजुल कर
बातें करें सबसे मिलकर इंडिया जाहू तीन की अभिभावक को ना जरूरत है इनकी
सही सही कल्पदाम महामारी ने कर्मदाम आओ मिलकर चलाए नशा मुक्ति अभियान धूम्रपान तंबाकू ड्रग्स और शराब इससे ना हो जीवन खराब
కదలి రండి పరిస్థితిని ఎదురిద్దాం
उठाइए एक कदम हम सब में है इतना दम ये संकल्प ना अपनाएंगे इसे दोबारा क्योंकि जिंदगी नहीं मिलेगी दोबारा Don't let addiction steal your dreams. Step into sin, step out of addiction. Don't let addiction steal your happiness. Make the habit, build your future. ముందడికి వేసేద్దాం వాళ్ళకి దవ్యాల అంతు చూసేద్దాం నవ సమాజ నిర్మాతలమై జాతిని మేల్కొల్పే విధాతలమై ఇదే వేదిక సాక్షిగా పలుకుదాం అందరం मुक्त बने देश और हम नशा मुक्त बने देश और हम जय जय कल्पदाम महामारी कर्मदाम
That was a fantastic performance, but the performance doesn't end here. There's always a turning point, a chance to make a change.
Here's where the healing begins. Even in the darkest moments, there's always a way out. The road to recovery starts with a single step, accepting help and making the choice to change.
Addiction doesn't have to be a life sentence. With awareness, support, and strength, anyone can break free from its grip. The choice is in our hands.
Both these performances show us the silent battle many face every day. Whether it's the lure of a phone screen or the destructive pull of substance abuse, addiction is real, but so is the hope for recovery.
Let's remember, addiction is a battle, but it's one we don't have to face alone. Together, we can break the chains and reclaim our lives.
Thank you for watching, and remember, change begins with awareness. Stay strong, stay connected, and let's make the right choices.
Dear audience, today the 7th graders are excited to present the Panchabhutas, or the 5 great elements which form the foundation of the universe.
The 5 elements, earth, water, fire, air, and space, each shape our world and existence each with unique qualities.
The 5 elements teach us balance, resilience, and interconnectedness, guiding us to live in harmony with nature and ourselves.
Let's now welcome our grade 7 performers who are going to showcase power and beauty of the great 5 elements.
If I was not myself and you were someone else, I'd say so much to you, 'cause I can hardly breathe when your hands let go of me. You sail away again. I'm there in the water, still looking for ya. I'm there in the water. Can't you see? Can't you see? Oh yeah, I'm dead in the water. Still looking for you. Can't you see? Can't you see?
What about sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things that you said we were to gain? What about killing fears? Is there a time? What about all the things that you said was yours and mine? Did you ever stop to notice all the blood we shed before? Did you ever stop to notice this crying earth, this weeping shore?
The five great elements, earth, water, fire, air, and space, not only form the universe, but also reside within each of us.
Air, water, fire, air, and space shape our world and existence, each with unique qualities.
Earth represents stability and strength, while water symbolizes adaptability and flow essential for life.
Fire stands for energy and transformation. Air embodies movement and freedom, and space represents boundless potential.
The five elements teach us vital lessons about strength, adaptability, passion, freedom, and potential.
Let us honor these elements by incorporating their teachings into our life and nurturing a harmonious relationship with the world around us. Thank you.